Oh my gosh, is the seat taken?
No, no, please, go ahead.
Thank you so much. I've been on my feet all morning.
Oh, wow, long day already.
You have no idea. I got here so early and I still feel like I'm running late.
I know that feeling.
Sorry I'm being so rude. I didn't even say hello properly.
No worries at all.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. I'm James.
James. Oh, that's a great name.
Thank you. I like Sarah too. It's a classic.
Ha, thank you. So, James, do you come here often?
To this coffee shop, yeah, pretty often, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Oh wow, really? I've never seen you here before.
I usually sit in the back corner. I like the quiet.
Oh, that makes sense. I always sit near the window.
The window is nice. Good light.
Exactly. I love the light here in the morning.
Me too. It feels very relaxed.
So, are you from here? From this city?
No, actually, I'm not. I'm originally from Boston.
Boston. Oh wow, that's far.
Yeah, I moved here about 2 years ago.
2 years. So you're not totally new anymore.
No, not totally new, but sometimes it still feels that way. You know.
Oh, I completely understand that feeling.
What about you? Are you from here?
Yes, born and raised. I've lived here my whole life.
Oh, really? That's cool. Do you love it here?
I do. I mean, sometimes it feels a little small, but I love it.
Small can be nice, though.
That's true. Everyone knows everyone.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Ha, both, honestly, both.
Ha, yeah, I can imagine.
So, James, what do you do for work? I mean,
I'm a graphic designer.
oh, that's so cool. I love that.
Thank you. I enjoy it a lot. Every day is a little different.
That sounds amazing. I need something like that.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at the middle school down the road.
No way. That's awesome.
Thank you. I love it, but it can be really tiring.
I bet kids take a lot of energy.
So much energy, but they make me laugh every single day.
That's the best part, right?
Honestly, yes, that's what keeps me going.
That's really nice. You can tell you care about it.
I really do. Teaching is I don't know, it's just part of who I am.
I get that. Design is like that for me too.
Really, like you can't imagine doing something else.
Not really, no. I tried working in an office job once.
Oh yeah, how was that?
Honestly, terrible.
Huh, why?
I need to create things. Sitting in meetings all day was killing me.
Oh, I totally get that. I need to be doing something meaningful.
Exactly. Something that matters.
Yes, otherwise, what's the point, right?
Right. Life's too short.
Okay, so tell me more about yourself. Where did you grow up exactly?
Well, I grew up in a small town just outside of Boston.
Oh, a small town. What was that like?
Really quiet, really green, lots of trees.
That sounds beautiful.
It was. I miss it sometimes, but I love city life too.
You get the best of both worlds then.
Exactly. That's a great way to put it.
Do you have family back there, in Boston?
Yeah, my parents are still there, and my younger sister.
Aw, that's sweet. Do you miss them?
Every day, but I go back to visit a few times a year.
That's good. Family is so important.
It really is. What about you? Is your family here?
Yes, my whole family lives here, actually.
Oh wow, all of them?
Well, my parents, my brother, and my grandma, they all live nearby.
That's really lovely. You're all close.
Very close. We have dinner together almost every Sunday.
Every Sunday? That's special.
It is. I love it. It's kind of our tradition.
That sounds really nice, Sarah.
It is. I feel very lucky. Some people don't have that.
That's true. I think about that sometimes.
Do your friends here feel like family?
Some of them, yeah. I've made some really good friends in the last 2 years.
That's so good to hear. Making friends as an adult is hard.
Oh, it's really hard. No one talks about that enough.
Right? Like, when you're a kid, it's so easy.
You just walk up and say, "Do you want to be my friend?"
Ha, exactly. And that's it. You're best friends.
Now it takes months just to have a real conversation with someone.
So true. Like, you have to schedule a coffee just to catch up.
Right? And then someone cancels and,
And then you reschedule 3 more times.
yes, exactly.
Okay, so can I ask you something a little personal?
Sure, go ahead.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Not at all. I'm 32.
Oh, nice. I'm 30.
Oh, cool. So we're close in age.
Yeah, I thought so. There's something about people in their 30s.
What do you mean?
Like you're more relaxed. You know yourself better.
Oh, yes, absolutely. My 20s were something else.
Huh, were they chaotic?
Very, very chaotic.
Mine too. I didn't know what I was doing half the time.
And now,
Now I feel settled, like comfortable in my own skin.
that's a great feeling.
It really is. I wouldn't go back.
Me neither. Not for anything.
So, James, do you have any hobbies outside of work?
Yeah, I love hiking, and I've been getting into cooking lately.
Oh, cooking is so satisfying.
Right? Like, you make something from nothing.
Exactly, and then you eat it.
The best part,
Ha, yes. What do you like to cook?
I've been trying a lot of Italian food lately. Pasta, mostly.
Homemade pasta?
Yeah, I bought a pasta machine last month.
Oh wow, you are serious.
I am. I'm very serious about pasta.
I respect that so much.
What about you? Do you cook?
A little. I'm not great, but I try.
What do you like to make?
Honestly, I make a really good soup.
Oh, really? What kind?
It's a tomato and lentil soup, my grandma's recipe.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It is so good, especially on a cold day.
You'll have to make it for me sometime.
Ha, maybe I will.
I'm serious.
Okay, deal.
I love that. A soup deal.
Ha, yes, our first deal.
So what else do you do for fun?
I love reading. I read almost every night before bed.
Oh, me too. What kind of books?
Mostly fiction. I love a good story.
Like what? Any favorites?
Oh gosh, too many. I love anything with a mystery.
Oh, a mystery fan.
Big mystery fan. You?
I'm more into nonfiction. Biographies, mostly.
Really? Whose life have you been reading about lately?
I just finished one about a jazz musician, Miles Davis.
Oh, interesting. Did you enjoy it?
So much. His life was just incredible.
I might have to try that one.
You should. It reads almost like a novel.
Oh, that's the best kind of nonfiction.
Exactly. When it doesn't feel like homework.
Hal, yes, homework nonfiction is the worst.
The absolute worst.
Okay, new question. What's something most people don't know about you?
Ew, that's a good one.
Take your time.
Okay, I used to play the drums.
No way.
Yes, all through high school and into college.
That is so cool. Were you good?
I was decent, not great, but I loved it.
Why did you stop?
Life got busy. I moved around a lot. Hard to travel with a drum kit,
Hal, that is true.
but I'd love to pick it up again someday.
You should. It's never too late.
That's what people say.
Because it's true. What would stop you?
Just finding the time, I guess.
Make the time, James.
Okay. You sound like a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Right, fair point.
What about something surprising about you?
I'm actually really shy.
What, really?
Yeah, people don't believe me, but I am.
But you seem so easy to talk to.
I've worked at it. It didn't come naturally.
Wow, that's actually really inspiring.
Yeah,
Yeah, like you just decided to change something about yourself.
I mean, I had to. You can't get very far being too shy to talk to anyone.
That's very self aware of you.
I've had a lot of time to think.
What about you? Any surprising things? Let me think.
Take your time. No rush.
Okay, I have a weird talent.
Ew, what is it?
I can tell you the capital city of almost any country in the world.
No, really?
Yes, ask me one.
Okay, Kazakhstan.
Astana.
Wow, that was fast.
Ha, I told you.
How did that happen?
I was obsessed with geography as a kid. I used to read the atlas for fun.
That is so specific and I love it.
Ha, my family thought I was a little weird.
No, that's brilliant. That's a real skill.
It comes up more than you'd think.
I bet. Okay, one more. Papua New Guinea.
Port Moresby.
Incredible.
Ha, thank you. It's my party trick.
That is an excellent party trick.
So, James, are you happy here, in this city?
Yeah, I really they am. It took time, but yeah.
What made the difference?
Honestly, finding a routine and finding a good coffee shop.
Ha, this one.
This one, yes.
That's really sweet.
And I met some good people, slowly, one by one.
That's how it works, isn't it? One person at a time.
Exactly. You don't need 100 friends. You just need a few good ones.
That is so true. Quality over quantity.
Always.
I think I needed to hear that today, actually.
Why? What's going on?
Oh, nothing big, just feeling a little lonely lately, I guess.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, it's okay. I think it's just being an adult is weird sometimes.
It really is. You can be surrounded by people and still feel alone.
Yes, exactly that.
But then sometimes you just meet someone at a coffee shop,
Ha, yeah,
and it helps a little.
it does, actually. This has been really nice.
I agree, genuinely.
I feel like I've known you for years.
Same. That's rare. You know, that feeling.
It is rare. You should hold on to it when it happens.
Agreed.
So, can I ask something kind of forward?
Of course.
Would you want to do this again sometime? Like, just coffee and talking?
I would love that.
Yeah,
Definitely. I don't have nearly enough good conversations in my life.
me neither. People are always on their phones.
Or they are in a hurry.
Or they're just not really listening.
You listen, like, really listened.
So did you.
Good conversation is a gift.
It really is. We should all do it more.
I'm going to start saying that to people.
Do it. Put it on a t-shirt.
Good conversation is a gift.
I'd buy that.
Me too, honestly.
Okay, so we'll exchange numbers?
Absolutely. Let me get my phone.
Me too. 1 second.
Here, go ahead and type yours in.
Okay, done. And sent you a text so you have mine.
Perfect. Got it.
Great. So next week, same time,
Same time, same coffee shop,
I'll be in my spot by the window.
and I'll find you.
Huh, that's very dramatic.
I'm a dramatic guy.
Huh, good to know.
This was really, really nice, Sarah.
It really was. Thank you, James.
Thank you
For what?
for not ignoring me when you sat down.
Huh, I would never.
You'd be surprised. Most people just put their headphones in.
True, I thought about it.
Ah,
But something told me not to.
I'm glad it did.
Me too.
Okay, I should get back to my work.
Oh yes, me too. I have lesson plans to write.
The teacher life.
Never stops. But I love it.
Have a great rest of your day, Sarah.
You too, James. Really.
See you next week.
See you next week.